Before I made this YouTube channel, I had been working on robots as a hobby for quite a while. In this video, I'm going to give you an overview of all the robots and my plans for them going forward. In 2014, I started messing around with electronics using the Arduino. And in the middle of the year, I made a VR controlled head. And this sort of counts as my first robot. Then in 2015, I got together with a whole lot of people at work and we made a robot together. But we ended up getting too busy with actual work, so we never continued with it after the first version. In 2017, I finished my own robot, which tracked human faces and followed them using OpenCV. Over the next few months, I upgraded this robot quite a bit. In 2019, I did a major update, which essentially made a new robot. Then the world went mad, and I was working like crazy during that time. And then in 2023, I made my test robot. These are the three robots that I'm planning to repair and upgrade. They all have wildly different issues, and I am going to start with Hoppy. The goal is to make it VR remote controlled. I'm going to do this in two stages. The first stage is going to be purely aimed at upgrading all the hardware and the software to what I have now and get it working. Then the next stage will be to make some pedals for the steering and use my HTC Vive to control Hoppy. I want the controllers to be able to move the arms and close and open the hands. And I want the webcam to be able to stream video and audio to the headset. And finally, I want the microphone to be able to output to Hoppy's speakers. The next robot I'll be working on is Buzzy. The goal here is to make a robot which is autonomous. Being the oldest robot out of the three, it has the most issues to be worked on. I need to remake the entire bottom board, which has the wheels, motors and controllers. I'm going to replace the computer with the Orange Pi and add a whole lot of other sensors to it, like LiDAR, ultrasonic sensors, etc. The head, I'm a little bit unsure what I'm going to do with it, but I'd like to keep it the same. I'm also probably going to try add a touchscreen to it. Then finally it's a stage where I write all the software and get it to drive around by itself. Finally, it's my third robot, Tessie, which is basically my test robot. This is going to be quite a simple update. Basically, I blew up the CPU on this. I'm not too sure what I did, but I need to replace this with an Orange Pi. It used to be a Rock 64, and just then get it working again. Nice and simple. Anyway, thanks for watching and goodbye.